now record. Okay, now let's go to do it.
لا
مم.
يز خلاص يزي من الصرف خلاص ما عادش عندي فلوس والله طيب مسك متزر هاي أعطيك متزر
Excuse me.
yes sir
Now what is your answer for this one?
is it C
It can be C, but C it's a comma plus mistake because this is a beginning of a sentence. Look, TAMO, here sound. So it's a new complete sentence. So we have complete sentence and then complete sentence again. So between them, you cannot use only comma. So remember something. Complete sentence, comma, complete sentence, comma, splice mistake. So comma, splice mistake, right? That's why we call it wrong. Catch it?
yes
Again, subordinating conjunction, complete sentence, comma, complete sentence, stop, that is correct. Look, the difference between them, you have subordinated conjunction. You can use comma, but if we have subordinated conjunction at the beginning, but there is no, that means it's wrong. So now we have two complete sentences, complete, complete. Between them here, there is no any punctuation. So run on. Here, comma plus mistake. Here it can be fanboys, but we need comma. As you know, complete sentence, comma, fanboys, complete sentence, full stop, correct? That means here letter A is the best answer. All right? Now the next one.
is it C
Was that a question?
no wait it's D
How letter D if you start with
no it's sorry it's C we won't add anything it's C
no, it must be letter B.
okay
Yeah, why? He said this type of random continuous movement, which is, so we have non-essential information by using a clause. Look, this is a subject, this one, and this is a verb. So this is sentence, it mentioned like that, subject, as I told you, be careful, subject, comma, affirmation, comma, verb, comma, full stop. This is a subject with this is word. And this is the non-essential for using the clause. We need two commas. And this is a verb. What can be observed this time? Feel it?
yes
If this structure, most common and is correct. What is next?
it's A or C
A or C? But let's note together why C correct. So why C correct?
because stories and
Tell the stories of these immigrants. We don't need position. Don't need
yeah
position. Here we don't need position. That's why. So it's letter C. How about the next?
I didn't do this
Let's do it now and we'll find it later.
sir, 1 minute. There's someone on the door.
كمان هلبس على البيت.
Is it D?
So you want to make it D, and D it's correct. Good job. Let me help you for this question. For the writing and for the conventions of writing English, always read from full stop to full stop. This one only to give you some information. Now, if you read it carefully, a coming of age story, social meditation, sour gaze into what is all of these? Broker. So it's about modifier. It's a novel. This. And of course, this one is wrong because we need the subject after. That is a trap. Now your job, what is a coming of age story? Look, the novel. So
It's
the
a
novel,
novel.
but this is a name of a person. It cannot be. It cannot be the country. It cannot be, of
Yeah.
course, the beginning wrong. So it's letter.
B.
And don't look here. We're talking about the debit novel of. So the subject is no. That's one. Now the next one, help yourself.
Is it C?
Sure. So you would,
Have no, it's B.
why did you change your mind? So
No, it's C. No, C.
so it's a C. Yeah. Now here for the common hack. Plural, 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 C. But wait, this is the last way to use. Now, but look, we have clause. And then comma from boys and then clause. So we test you only for this part. Where is the subject? Her writing. What happened? Singular. So her writing here is a gerund. No problem. I can use her writing verb plus ing. You feel it? So remember the gerund is noun and the noun can be possessive. So her writing is subject and it's noun and it's singular. So it's singular here. That's why. Now the next.
Is it C?
Letter C again. So I think
Yeah.
you love letter C. Let me check. If you want to use full stop, before and after must be complete sentence. Is this part a complete sentence or fragment?
It's a fragment, just like the other
So that
two.
is. So delete it. But how did you know it's a fragment? Number one, we have subordinating conjunction. So complete sentence, subordinate conjunction, complete sentence, full stop, correct. This part correct, subject, verb, complement, but this is part no, because it's only phrases, such as phrase and all phrase. But this part has a mistake, but all of it has a mistake. So all of it fragment. So we cannot use full stop. Plus, I told you a common hack. Full stop and the semicolon, the same in everything. Complete sentence before and after. Like that, semicolon before it must be complete sentence. Any type of sentence, simple, complex, whatever. And here it must be complete sentence. The same for full stop. So when you find them in the same placement, everything, so both of them wrong. Do you imagine?
Yes.
Now we need to know, is it A or letter D?
It's A.
So it must be letter D.
D?
Yes.
Okay.
Why? Because he says such as an example. If you keep it like that, it will be wrong. Why? Because this is part, it's like additional example for it. Feel it? Look, theaters were fitted with specialized events that emitted odors at specific points in a movie, such as, so it's a positive additional information. So we need come. Do you imagine it?
Yes. Is it A?
You want to make it A again, but no.
Yes.
Already it's clear we have single dash. Look, here we have dash. It checks the dash. Is before, completes after. I mean delete between two dashes and read. So delete and read. You will find this one, complete this one. So before the first dash, completes what is after the second dash. If it's that, so it's a dash. To emphasize information in the middle. That's it. Feel it?
Yes.
Now let us see it's correct.
Is it D?
So letter D sure,
Yes.
but no.
It's wrong, yeah.
Let me help.
Okay.
Here we need verb plus ing. Why? Because we need a phrase after the comma. And remember, we have an expression like that. Complete sentence, whatever it is, like that. It's complex. Look, subordinate conjunction at the beginning, complete, close, comma, complete, close, stopped here. And after it, I can add verb plus ing to add another present participle phrase and then full stop, and then that is correct. That's why. So we need verb plus ing. We have comma and verb plus ing. That's why. So use this structure if you're confused about this kind of a question. Right?
Yes. Is it B?
Be wrong. Why you didn't check here complete sentence? Look, as I told you here, don't look, it's a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase, comma, subject verb. So this is the beginning of new sentence, and that is already complete sentence. So two complete sentences, what do you expect between them? Comma only, commas plus mistake. Nothing, run on mistake. So fun boys, we need comma. Full stop, correct? Imagine.
Yes.
So here, letter D.
I understood that, sir.
Yeah, come on, jump for the next.
It's D.
And the letter D, you did it. Correct.
One second, sir. Just I'm coming back.
Tell yourself.
Is it A?
With it, letter A. So letter A, I don't think so. Let me help you. Let me help you. Here we have comma and then comma. This is called non-essential information. Delete and read. You will find injecting bits of molten rock into the atmosphere that rain back onto Mars surface. What is going to rain back onto Mars surface? The atmosphere, the rock, or the bits? Bits. Even so, we need complete verb. You found it? So letter D. That's all.
Okay.
Next one, half the time. Help.
Is it B?
So are you sure it's B?
No.
Are you sure? Yeah, because you are confused between A and B. Always follow the rules. Comma but fanboys is before complete. I'm going to check many non-essential information delete. So many were skeptical. Yeah, it's correct. Many refers to the scientist, for example, right? Because many subject. So it's a complete after historians have determined that and then complete clause. This means two complete clauses. So we need comma. When, ask yourself, when should we delete the comma if the previous clause is short clause or one of the clauses? Imagine it like that, complete, comma, from boys, complete, full stop, correct. When should we delete this comma? If this clause or this clause, short clause. And short clause means two words. Is that two words? It's too much. So we need comma. So letter V. So letter C, comma, splice mistake, and here run on mistake. Run on means a sentence and then nothing and then sentence and then nothing then sentence. How to start the sentence without any clear punctuation between them? It's called run on, like happens here. So both of them common mistakes. That's why. Now let's jump. Modifier again.
Is it B?
Letter B again? I don't think so. What is compared? Look, comparison. What is compared to that of class? So, what is compared? That is silica glass? Silica glass again? The advantage? Or the atomic arrangement of the silica glass?
It's D.
So it's letter D. That's why. So she'd read all of it and find what does it mean. All right, let's go for the next.
Is it A? No, sorry, it's B.
So you mentioned the letter B,
Yes.
correct?
Is it B?
Letter B? No.
Yes.
How letter B? You have to complete
B,
sentence.
not D. B.
No B and no D. How? Read again.
Is it C?
Letter C, you need comma for fun boys. So letter A. It's a two
But there's a comma after today, so how?
Okay, ma, this is because this is additional information, the time of the action. No problems. So we start with adverb today, and then comma, non-essential comma, and then start the sentence. This is usual happens. Sentence here, correct? So we have two complete sentences. What could be between them? Nothing, run on mistake. Comma splice, wrong. Some boys, we need comma. That's it. Let's jump.
Is it
Is it what?
B?
So what do you think it's me? And why didn't it check C? We are talking about scientific studies.
Yes.
Look again in the example. Connect, reverse, character whereby the words she hears, so it's a present simple tense. Remember, letter B, past perfect. Past perfect means an action happened before another action in the past. For example, I did 3 actions in the past. The first one, past perfect. Like after I had studied, I slept. So studying first, sleeping second, wake up third, first one. That's why. But here we're talking about scientific stats. So letter C. This is one, as you know, future simple continuous. Future continuous. Future continuous means you expect an action will happen in future in a specific time. For example, tomorrow from 7 to 10, I will be in travel. So I will be traveling tomorrow. From 7 to 10, please do not call me. That's why. So any verb plus ing means continuous. Means continuous in a specific stated time only. That's why we have present continuous tense, temporary action at present. Past continuous tense, temporary action in the past. Future continuous tense means temporary action in the future. That's why. Now let's jump. Come on, it's so easy. Let me help. We are talking about the gravitational pull of the moon. And already we have one moon. Look. But remember, I'm not talking about we have one moon in life. You should find in the text. That's it. Now let's go. You're still there. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Let me help. Always check the spelling. Here we have this spelling. Yes or no? So do we make it plural like that? Like that? So without taking A and the D wrong. Now we check. This is one correct, yes. Sediment of layers. Mark the mysterious migration of the rocks. That's it. Feel it?
Yes.
So letter C is correct. If you want to check, is it rocks plural or singular? Go for the context, you'll find it. That's it. And here you need apostrophe by all means. So I don't care about rocks singular plural, but we need apostrophe because mysterious migration of the rocks. And remember the expression migration, it works for the rocks. So don't say travel, moving, could be. Help. Let me help
Is
you.
it B?
D wrong. Oh, always ask yourself, you need subject. What will find the faces in clouds and wooden doors and pieces? What will do that? A human brain. So human brain singer, so it must be. That's it. Don't think it's the researcher or she. Be careful. Now, the next one.